convention place for Tucking Brook Day. It's pretty cold outside. We're thinking we're gonna get a pet bird here, and that's pretty much it.
Let's go in.
I need some beads right now.
How come? What do you think, Sawyer?
It's loud.
Is that a rabbit?
That's a rabbit. So, we got a rabbit here. Not sure why he's at the bird thing, but it's cute. What you doing? Go.
Mother, did you see this rabbit?
I mean, that is a...
What? Yeah.
And specific.
Oh my gosh, look at the eyes.
I know.
Well, these are parakeets, right?
Yeah, these are parakeets.
That's what I used to have when I was a No, this is
Tucker's birthday present. He was a baby.
That's made up. Yeah.
what you got, Sawyer? Theme park pigeon. Okay, these are lovebirds up here, Kristen. These are the lovebirds?
Or the green. I think they're the green.
They look like lovebirds.
Well, those are the canaries.
Are those canaries? Zebra finch, diamond doves. Look at these doves, Lila. Diamond doves. Did you wave at them?
Yeah.
Bird house. What are these? Parrots? Look at those. Wow. It is beautiful. That's a cockatoo, right? That's what Nathan had.
Is it?
Yeah.
He is shrill. But he is pretty. These are pretty. I like this canary.
He's pretty.
What are these, Sawyer?
I'm not sure, but they're pretty.
Oh my God, he is pretty. Is he? Sorry. Hold that for me.
Okay. Now we're going to do both sides. You don't want to just do one because you'll be lopsided.
Yep.
Okay? So we're going to do the very same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, right there. Perfect. Great. Okay, now he can still fly. Okay.
It's too
Yeah,
high.
I mean, he can fly like from here past that table. Okay, but he just can't get altitude. Okay. I'll try to do it. And he will go in your hoodie and love it. Now, he hasn't doing the boat. Yes. Okay.
Are you thinking about what you're going to want to put in your cage?
The bird.
Okay. Interesting. Anything besides?
Tucker, show us your bird.
You sure he doesn't fly away?
What kind is he? Tell us about him.
A what was that? Peach face lovebird.
Can I take him?
It's like a juvenile male, I think.
Yes.
He's like 6 months old.
Okay, what do you think? Good birthday present?
Yeah,
Sawyer, what do you think?
it's pretty good.
I think his name should be Red
Put him in
Rover,
the
but
cage
Tucker
and
won't
see
do
what he
it.
does.
Okay, try putting him in his cage.
Hey, tiny one or the big one?
Yeah, you can do a small one. We can adjust those sticks. I just kind of put them
I
there.
feel like that's a huge cage for us to be trying to fish him out of.
You want to go somewhere, or are you just going to kind of...
All right, guys, we are. See if you guys recognize where we are. This is my old stomping grounds, one place I used to go when I was younger. I'm taking Tucker here for his birthday. Good old AAA Collectibles. One of the only ball card shops left around. It's hard to find, and these people are good people and they treat you fair. We really like going in here. So we'll give you a little bit of what's inside in just a second. All right, we're here at AAA.
AAA.
Tucker just got some cards. Show them what you got.
Alright, I gotta open it though. Alright. I don't even know what this dude's name is. Tony Richardson, a Pro Bowl jersey. Year 1 OJ Howard. What's it called? A game worn jersey.
Yep.
A Jared Goff jersey. A Jamal Adams signature. And a Christian McCaffrey rookie patch.
Yep. And then a pack.
And a pack, which I
We'll see how we do on that. All right. Cool. This is what's cool right here. These.
If you look at that Green Bay one back there, it's cool because it's like green with the yellow face mask. And their Steelers one is all yellow. You look back there, completely blue Cowboys.
All right.
All red.
All right. Tucker's in the Jeep. Open up his cards. See what he's got.
We got Boomer Eisen.
Eisen.
It's I guess it's what you would call legend cards. I don't really know him too well. He's old. Mark Ingram. Ooh, this one's cool. The rookies, Joe Williams. Very sparkly. AJ Green, wide receiver. That one's cool. I like this one. The Curtis Samuel, rated rookie. Takaris McKinley. Alfred Morris. Torrey Smith. Travis Kelsey. And Ed Reed.
Pretty good pack.
Pretty good pack. Pretty
All
good
right.
pack. I like the Joe Williams.
Okay, we're back home now, and after AAA and all that stuff, so we got the bird back home. Sawyer is walking around with the bird on his shoulder. We named him Marty McFly after Back to the Future, because we all like Back to the Future, and McFly is kind of a bird thing with fly. So anyway, you got that. Tucker's playing.
All better.
What are you playing, Tucker?
Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2.
Plants vs. Zombies. And we have special guests tonight. This is a little guy you might recognize. His name is Oliver. Say hi, Oliver.
No.
Okay, he's not saying anything. Alright,
Y'all
so
got roasted.
there's the bird. Just hanging out with Sawyer, right? Oh, we gotta show him the cage, Sawyer.
The cage.
Alright.
Oh, wow. He did not like that.
Come on, let's show him the cage. Following Sawyer to the cage.
Did you not like that? Did you not like me taking you off my neck? No.
We have another guest over here tonight.
Fletcher.
This baby right here. This baby. Say hi.
Bobby, Bobby,
That's right. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. That's right. E-I-O. Alright. Sawyer. There's the cage. So we put the cage up here.
We haven't gotten any of the little toys yet.
Put him in there.
Get on me there, buddy. Oh no. He just said nah, fam.
You need help?
No, I don't want to hurt him. Yeah, no. I thought I told you not to get on my neck
Alright.
like that.
Can you open the cage? Alright, close it.
Fun fact, he
Alright.
likes to dig into people's pockets.
Yeah, he likes to hide in your hoodie. That's his little cage. Anyway, that was our day with Sawyer in the middle. The light shining on him.
Ooh.
Any final words you want to say?
Subscribe. That's our new outro.
Subscribe?
Yes. I'm gonna say that at the end of every video.
You want people to
starting now.
subscribe?
Yes.
Do you want to give a special shout out to our #1 subscribers?
The Henson family. Each one of them individually is a subscriber, and they're thinking about making their own YouTube channel.
So special shout out to the Hensons. Holla.
I'll let you later.